Good morning. Another brilliant start to the day, but with a lot of mixed feelings. Today is our last day. One is happy also that okay, all that walking comes to an end, all that up and down, and also sad that it's ending. Arjun version 2.0. Awesome.
वाह क्या बात है माधुरी दीक्षित के बाद अब अर्जुन
Back to the bridge that had taken us half an hour, 45 minutes to cross thanks to traffic on the way up, donkey and yak traffic, and a lot of traffic. So happy to find it empty now. I'll miss Nepal for so many reasons. Beautiful place, beautiful people. And a place that we had missed entering on the way up. We had just looked at it and said, "Oh, I've seen this in a blog and all that." Now it's raining. Time to go in.
Oh man, wow.
No dal bhat today for sure.
Wow. What a place. Yeah, gee, oh, look at Asta, greedy guts, donut.
So excited.
Ooh, what is she having? Chocolate
Carrot cake.
Chocolate carrot cake.
And we were all planning to lose weight. Oh my god. So much for it.
Olive oil, chili flakes, Tabasco, mustard.
You really have to do a dal bhat only kind of trek to really understand this excitement that we felt. Looked like a really nice place. Very aesthetically done.
Next time.
And then the rain began again, which made me bring out my 13-year-old poncho, which I realized was not so perfect any longer. That looked tempting, but yeah, that last day, I'm not putting up too many videos of it, but Lukla seems to have legs of its own, which keeps taking it further and further and further away as you seem to be getting thinking you're getting closer and closer.
What video you're taking now?
But we actually had some sun also that day.
And finally, by the time we thought maybe Kathmandu would be around the corner, Lukla finally arrived.
Almost at the end. That's the gate to Lukla. Do not go beyond the step. Stop.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Don't go beyond this.
Okay.
Come, Arjun. Here.
Sir, at your disposal.
And at 1, 2, 3, we will all finish the trip together.
Which one, left or right?
Whichever one you want.
No.
Okay, right.
Okay, right.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Congratulations. You.
सेल्फी मैंने मारना पड़ेगा ना
हाँ पहले वीडियो पहले थैंक यू तो कर ले थैंक यू मैम congratulations
Thank you.
actually need to deserve a stinky hug
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you.
And finally, Arjun's much wanted last selfie.
We are back.
Our last tea house for this trip at Lukla. Getting through Lukla was pretty long too. Let the celebrations begin.
Right.
Cheers. Thank you.
And after 2-3 days of terrible weather where hardly any flights took off or landed, Mother Nature was, as always, very kind to us. And there was nice bright sunshine and a lot of flights and choppers coming in and going out.
I'll stay right here and
What a room with a view. For an Air Force kid, perfect. Seeing the number of flights coming in, we were hopeful of getting onto one of them despite the huge backlog of people who were still stuck in Lukla over the last 2-3 days. The fingers crossed. And then the call came. Time to run to the airport. Yes, after quite a bit of waiting, the last flight, which I think came in only because it had a lot of cargo, alcohol to deliver, came in and we were on our way. Bye-bye, Lukla. Hello, Kathmandu. There's no turning back now. Once you're over that little ridge and down the slope we go. The only sad thing about this was that there were only 3 seats. So poor Arjun had to wait for tomorrow to get onto the flight tomorrow. But believe me, it took him 3 days to get back. So we were really lucky to have got out on that last flight that day. Otherwise, we would have been stuck there for 3-4 days in Lukla. After EBC, such luxury. Bliss. Thank you, Himalayan Holidays. I have to see the glue, man. After those EBC tours. Ooh, nice. Great. Now to have a bath after 2 weeks. An awesome lunch outing. We walked out onto the streets and then found the first place that looked really nice to us. Enjoying Kathmandu. And then on to the dinner outing. Very different, but
Thakali
equally
food
yummy.
with my favorite.
We just wanted
Mulo
to eat
ka
more
achar.
and more.
Ooh, ay. This Kathmandu stay is proving to be awesome. Where is she with the ghee? I want to. Aha, bas. Thank you. And 15 minutes later, all empty. All the ghee is gone. All the pork is gone. All the chawal is gone. Everything is gone.
And then, of course, we couldn't let Richa go back without a round of Thamel, especially since she needed to do some shopping for family and friends and had lovely little doggy Sherlock, who would be very upset
Want
if she
something?
came back without a soft toy for him. Evening was at Young Taro, which was just 8 tables and an oven last time I came here. Then we went on to Uday and his wife's place, and she taught me how to make my favorite mulo ko achar, Thakali style.
करके रखा है पछि नुन चर्को भवन और ये है चुकी अमिलो बोलते हैं इसको ये नींबुआ कागती को है ना लेमन को बनाएको हुन्छ ना ये लेमन का
अच्छा
है
तो ये स्पेशल है
हाँ ये स्पेशल है
इंडिया में तो मिलेगा नहीं
मिलेगा शायद
मिलेगा
नहीं नींबू को निचोड़ के ऊपर के रख दो
हाँ नींबू का भी रख सकते हैं लेकिन इसका टेस्ट अच्छा
टेस्ट अच्छा
है
है
It tasted so good, so good. Wow. And then it was bye bye Nepal, back to India. Until next time, I'm sure there'll be another time. There'll be many more times to Nepal. It's just such a beautiful country and such beautiful people. Looking forward to that.